This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Bus 40IP is a Class A RV. It is located in Apopka, Florida, 32703 and is offered for sale by Central Florida RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a glazed honey interior, sleep safe, TV, slide out, smoke detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, skylight, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half outdoor entertainment. This 2014 Tiffin Allegro Bus 40IP is built on a Powerglide chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.